is the house of our president, Bola, Ahmed Tinubu. We are here to celebrate with them for the remembrance of his late mother. God bless you. These are your market, some of the market representatives in those states, and the AREWA Traders Association, their leaders. And this is the chairman of those states, AREWA market leader. As I was coming, they said they came to visit me. I told them the following day I was to come, coming to see me. They said they must be here. And that was how we sent the message to the Edo State governor, Senator Monday Open, who honored your name. He said, as long as we are coming, he provided us a bus to come. On behalf of the whole Traders Association in Edo State, we want to say we appreciate you for the motherly love that you show to us.
See lifter help we make you fall.
Oh, I like it.
Mama.
Hi.
People of Edo State, they hello. People of Edo State, they hello. Transport the Jabora down. Edo people don't be happy. People of Edo State, they hate.
Let's support Senator Monday Open for a rising Edo State.
Edo na Lagos. Edo State business tycoons. Confirm. Bola. 2027 is possible. 2027 is possible. 4 plus 5. No way. Is it your banner?
Allah sai kallo yaro baya bololo fasin yan kwallo za ku yi murna